Okay. So why do you think we have assembled here today to celebrate Women's Day? So do you know the theme for current year's Women's Day? Do anyone know the theme for current? Can anyone answer? I don't want anyone to Google, please. I know it's easy to Google. Okay. This year's theme is to choose to challenge.
Face lot of challenges and how to overcome it, how to balance it. This is all defines one word, that is women and womanhood. So I think when Leela came to invite me, I was really very much thankful to her and thankful to Prahlad to really arrange this type of forum. Actually, we should have this type of forum, and even to Mansa as well, all the PR team. So we need to share some of our experience, how we have really overcome and came and have been standing in this journey, and also we have a goal path to go ahead. Yes or no? Yes or no? Louder.
And it's nice to see all of you guys here. So I was actually thinking back quite a few years, almost like 15 years ago. I was managing a team once. I had about 22 people in it, and of which 18 were women. And it was a pleasant experience working with all of them. And one thing I took away from that entire tenure of managing them was women actually tend to bring about a very inclusive environment in a team. They keep the team together. So it's not just your families that you're keeping together, it's also your teams, your colleagues, and it actually encourages people, especially keeps the men straight, if I have to put it that way. But you guys do a wonderful job, and a very, very happy Women's Day to all of you. And thank you for being a part of On Passive.
It's so colorful actually. Happy Women's Day. Actually, I admire women employees working in organization and then taking care of their personal things. It's very, very challenging, I know. Being a men employees, it is very, very easy for us to extend our hours in office. But it's women employees, how difficult it is, I know. You are sacrificing your personal things at home, and at the same point in time, you are balancing your professional life in office also. Actually, I was very happy actually. Previously, HR department was led by both Bharati and Mary. Recently, Prahlad joined, and the PMO team led by Paramita, and then L3 support team led by Mona Lisa. So this itself is a big differentiation actually. We have women leaders, and of course, Manasa is there who is leading graphics, PR team. So there are 4 different examples this organization has set. I'm very happy with this kind of initiations which this organization is taking care of, and then hope we have a proper proportional balance in this organization. Agree with me or not? Thank you. Thank you all. Please continue to do the same. Encourage us so that we will also do like you.
Very warm good evening and happy International Women's Day 2021. So it was such a wonderful evening, and Thank you so much On Passive for this beautiful one. Thank you one and all.
So hello everyone. On the Women's Day, it started with a very beautiful welcome actually. We received a wonderful rose and the day sort of went in the same way. We had a huge celebration. We shared a lot of memorable moments and also sweets and everything were involved. We all received a plant also. It was unforgettable for all of us, I believe. And wishing you everyone happy Women's Day. Thank you.
Hello everyone, happy International Women's Day and a great pleasure to work with On Passive. We fun a lot, we participated in a lot of games and fun and we got best wishes from On Passive. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, happy International Women's Day. We celebrated Women's Day with lots of fun and On Passive. Thank you very much.
A very happy Women's Day to all of you.
A very happy Women's Day to all of you.
Happy International Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day to all On Passive family members.
Wish you all a very happy Women's Day. Be strong, be safe and we love you all.